YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. And if you like this item, click the link down below. Add it to your cart. Check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. Let's see what it is. Oh boy. Alright. Get this out of the way. There's another box inside. Yep. There we go. Bada boom. And bada bing. LovittyAir. Lovitty. I think that's how you pronounce it. Air Purifier. Really nice. Power 12 watts. Alright, let's take a look inside. And also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. But if you like this item, click that link, add it to your cart, and check out now. Let's see what this looks like. This would be nice, like Father's Day gift coming up. Got the manual. And another box. Got some of these. Good job packaging it, so everything looks good. Oh, there's a little tiny guy. This would be nice for like college dorm, your office. Let me take it out of the bag. Bada boom. Now, let's see what's in here. Ah, that's cool. You get a nice little bonus air filter. Here's a unit. And a plug. Get the standard plug. Plug it in. And make sure we take everything out. Oops. Get that out of your face and give this a spin. I don't think it matters what side. There we go. Nice and locked. So you get 2 filters for the price of 1. Bonus. And here we go. Just gotta unplug. Oh, I got an open spot. So that's a good thing. Pretty good size cord. Just gotta plug it in here. Oh, here's a top. We have controls. Pretty simple. Got the fan, you can see. Hopefully this one's quiet. Okay, gotta plug it right in there. Gotta turn her on. Plug it in. Alright. Oh, lights up blue. Set on high. That's pretty quiet. You guys can see the blue LED right in there. It's a nice little guy. There you go. Pretty easy, pretty simple. I don't think I need to cover anything else. Pretty much that's about it for this little guy. Pretty basic manual. I already showed you how to unlock and unlock. Power buttons. So, turn on the machine, press on and off. And same thing to turn it off. Speed, the machine's speed when in low level, medium level, and high. So I already showed that. There's a timer set for 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. There you go. So pretty simple, nice and easy. That's about it. So definitely check them out. Lovity. It says right there. Click that link down below. Add it to your cart. And check out. Till then, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. And take it easy.